we took an amazing opportunity during this crisis.
So you're talking about a smart bracelet.
Correct.
How does that work? You have one.
I'm wearing one, so I hold it up. I think everyone is wearing one too. We had a discussion and we said, guys, the social distancing is going to be an issue. We have this capability into our devices, no?
I think it was a great seminar. I think it was very well prepared, high quality. I felt it myself.
I think the case of the collaboration between Rombit and the Port of Antwerp deserves like a written version, if you want. Because I think today most companies are looking for tangible, practical advice, the how-tos of digital transformation and innovation. I think in this case there's quite a few things that haven't been even mentioned because of the fact that we only had an hour.
The world is evolving at such an exponential rate, also in technology, that it is very important to surround yourself with ecosystems, like the Beacon here in Antwerp, that is focusing on IoT, with partnership with universities, with companies like Rombit, who have from day one a focus on a port environment. If you have that open mindset, the willingness to partner, the willingness to be inspired from outside in, not being arrogant, willingness to fail.
Knowing John very well, it was still very interesting to hear how they are now scaling up and the challenges they face as a growing company. Very interesting and insightful, and made me think.
You always learn something from the other people inside of the webinar, even from the person asking the questions. So that for me is always why I do these type of seminars.
So the Digital Transformation Club consists of more than 10 volunteer alumni. We organize a lot of events like this webinar, but also physical events, keynotes, workshops. And what we're trying to cover is a lot on the how. We try to help people from the Vlerick network with their different journeys, but also we go deeper, we zoom in on the what, and we always discuss why this is important and what is happening, what are the main trends in the world today. They just have to go to the Vlerick alumni website and it's easy to find. More than welcome.